Today, I'm going to show you how to build a restaurant site on Squarespace step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. Whether you run a fine dining restaurant, a cozy cafe, or a fast casual spot, this setup will help you create a clean, professional website that makes it easy for customers to browse your menu, find your location, and contact you quickly. If you want more easy website tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Let's get into it. First, log into your Squarespace account and go to the templates page. Once you're there, use the restaurant filter so you can narrow down the designs that are already built for food businesses. This is a great shortcut because restaurant templates are usually designed with the right layout, strong visuals, and space for menus, hours, and contact details. When you're browsing, try to choose a design that matches your brand. For example, if you own a fine dining restaurant, pick something elegant and minimal. If you run a cafe, look for a warmer, more casual design. And if you're building a fast casual site, choose a layout that feels simple, modern, and easy to navigate. Once you've selected a template, it's time to start customizing the pages. Go to the Pages section in your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you'll organize the most important parts of your website. Click the plus icon to add a new page, then choose Blank Page. This gives you full control over the content and layout. Name this page Menu because this is where customers will go to see your food and drink offerings. Keeping the page title simple and clear also helps visitors understand exactly what they're looking at. Now click Edit on the menu page. This opens the page editor where you can start adding content blocks. Click Add Block, then select the native menu block. Squarespace's built-in menu block is ideal because it's designed specifically for restaurants, so it automatically helps you organize items, prices, sections, and descriptions in a clean format. This saves time and keeps your menu looking polished without needing any custom design work. After the block is added, double-click it to begin editing. Squarespace makes this part very easy by using a simple Markdown-style text format. That means you can type your menu items, prices, and descriptions in a structured way, and Squarespace will automatically turn it into a neat, readable layout. For example, you can enter section headings for appetizers, mains, desserts, or drinks, then list each item underneath with the price and a short description. Keep the descriptions clear and appetizing, but not too long. The goal is to help visitors quickly understand what you serve and what makes each dish special. As you build your menu, keep the wording consistent and easy to scan. Most visitors will be browsing on their phones, so simple formatting matters. Use concise item names, readable prices, and short descriptions that highlight ingredients or flavors. If your restaurant has seasonal dishes or signature items, place those near the top so they stand out. A well-organized menu page can make a huge difference in how professional your restaurant website feels. Next, let's make sure customers can find you easily. One of the most important parts of any restaurant website is your contact information. You should place your hours, phone number, and physical address in the footer of your website. The footer appears on every page, which means your most important business details stay visible no matter where someone is on your site. That's especially important for hungry customers who want a quick answer without hunting through multiple pages. To edit the footer, go to the bottom section of your site inside Squarespace and add your business information there. Include your opening hours, your main phone number, and the full street address. If you have multiple locations, make that clear too. You can also add a short line like reservations recommended or walk-ins welcome if that applies to your business. The key is to keep the footer useful, simple, and easy to read. Now let's improve your contact page. Go to your contact page and add a map block. This is a very useful feature because it lets users tap the map and get directions instantly through Google Maps. That makes it much easier for people to visit your restaurant, especially on mobile devices. When adding the map, make sure the pin location is accurate and matches your business address exactly. You want customers to be able to find you without any confusion. On the contact page, you can also add your phone number, email address, and reservation details if needed. If your restaurant takes bookings, this is a great place to mention that clearly. You could even include a short message encouraging guests to call ahead for larger groups or special occasions. The easier you make it for customers to contact or visit you, the better your website will perform. Before you finish, go back through the site and check that everything looks consistent. Make sure your menu page is clear, your footer information is visible, and your map is working properly. Preview the site on both desktop and mobile to make sure the design still looks great on smaller screens. This is important because many restaurant customers will find your site from their phones while they're on the go. And that's how you build a restaurant site on Squarespace. You've chosen a restaurant template, created a dedicated menu page, added the native menu block, placed your hours and contact details in the footer, and included a map on the contact page so customers can find you easily. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step website guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.